Alright, so in this very brief video, I'm going to guide you on how to create AI-generated videos at no cost at all. Let's watch the video and see how you can create it.
It's going down tonight! It's going down tonight!
Alright, so
I said it's going down tonight! It's going down tonight!
Alright, so to create this very simple video, all we have to do, we have to go to Google and search for LM Arena.
So now if you don't have a prompt,
Once you go there, you click the first link, arena.ai. So you reach this LM Arena. I've talked about this before, but my channel, there are lots of things about LM Arena, how it is free. But for now, you just continue with Google. Select your account and log in and sign in. Though you can use it without logging in. Click continue.
AI to actually understand the business better. So now for this purpose, I'm going to create.
So once you enter there, you will see there's add files,
Generate for me the
there's develop websites, images, code, and so on.
how the system can actually understand.
So we are going to select create to generate videos.
Continuing, but if
You can also add a file if you have, but for now we're just going to select generate videos to create the beautiful video. So you're going to give the prompt of your video. For now, I'm going to say, create me a video of a rich black man making miracles. No, let me cancel that. Let me make something else. A rich black man drinking beer in a bar. This can be anything of your choice. You can make it as basic as you want or as detailed as you want. So after I've made my prompt, I'm going to click enter or send. Then you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you give it some time depending on the video. Usually it takes between 1 to 2 minutes maximum. So let's try to play.
God! God is good.
As you can see, the second one is better. You can play it again.
God is good.
Alright, so basically that is it. That's how you can create it. So you can go ahead also and vote, because LMN is all about voting and seeing which is the best. So as you can see, VO 3.1 was first and VO 3.1 audio was the weakest, but they're all good. You can create as many as you want. And that comes to the end of our video. If you like, please subscribe and I will drop more AI tools and I'll catch you in the next one.